Now in front of us we have question number 2 of exercise 1.2. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers. We have given two integers 26 and 91, and we have to find the HCF and LCM, and also verify that LCM into HCF is equal to the product of these two numbers. Now first we will factorize these numbers. Number is 26 and 91. The factors of 26 are 12 and 13. Factors of 91 are 7 into 13. Now HCF of 26 into 19. So first we see the common numbers, common prime numbers. These are the common. This is the only common number, and the highest power is 1. So 13. Now LCM of 26, 91 is each prime number involved in this, each prime number, that is 2. 13 is common, so we will write here 13. Then 7. Least power of this is 1, so we will take it as 1, and our LCM is 182. LCM is the number that will be come in both the numbers table. Okay, now we have to verify HCF of 26, 91 into LCM of 26, 91 is equal to product of these number, or we can write it as 26 multiply 91. So HCF is 13 and LCM is 182. When we multiply this, we will get 2366. And same way, when we multiply these numbers, we will get this. So this is verified that the LCM and HCF of both the numbers are good. Okay. The next question: find the HCF and LCM of 5, 10, and 92. And also we have to verify these numbers, HCF and LCM. So first of all, we will factorize these numbers. Factors of 5, 10, 2 to the 4, 2 5 the 10, 2 5 the 10. Now 3 8 the 24, 3 5 the 15. Now 5, 17 is a prime number, so it will be right. Now we will write it here as 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. In the same way, we will factorize 92. Factors of 92. 92, 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12, 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 23 is a prime number, so we will write it here 2 into 2 into 23, so we can write it as 2 power 2 into 23. So the HCF HCF of both the numbers. The common number in this is 2 with the lowest power 1. So 2 is its highest common factor, and LCM of these numbers is equal to 2 power 2, 3, 5, 17, 23. Now 2 is in both factors, in both the number factors, so highest power is 2, so we will write it here as this, and now multiply this 4, 3, 5, 17 multiply 23, and our number is 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. Now we will verify LCM into HCF is equal to first number multiply second number. What is our LCM? 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. What is our HCF? 2. Now first number is 510, second number is 92. When we multiply these numbers, we get 4, 6, 9, 2, 0. When we multiply these numbers, we get this 4, 6, 9, 2, 0, and that is proved. That is verified. Now we have third part of question number second. We have to find the HCF and LCM of 336 and 54. 336, we will factorize this number. When we factorize this, 2, 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4. Now 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 1, 3, 3 7 ja 21, 7 1 ja 7. So 336 factors are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 into 3 into 7, or we can write it as 2 power 4 into 3 into 7. In the same way, we'll factorize 54. 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja, 2 1 ja 2, 3 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. So we have 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, and we can write it as 2 into 3 power 3. So the HCF of 336 and 54 is, first we write the common number. Common is this, common is this. So 2 multiply 3. Now the lowest power is 1, and its lowest power is 1. So our HCF is 6. Now LCM, we will write all the prime numbers involved in this HCF and LCM. Here 2 into 3 into 7. Now the greatest power of 2 is 4, greatest power of 3 is 3, and 7 is 1. So we will solve this, and we will get 16 into 27 into 7, and this is 3024. When we multiply this, we will get 3024. So the LCM of 336 and 54 is 3024. Now we will verify. We have to verify that So the verification is LCM into HCF equals to first number multiply second number. So LCM is 3024, HCF is 6, number is 336 multiply 54. When we multiply these numbers, we will get 18144. In the same way, when we multiply these numbers, we will get 18144. Okay. Now this is verified. Both the numbers are same. So left side and right side are equals. So this is verified that the HCF into LCM is equal to product of both these numbers. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.